Namaskar. A warm welcome to all the viewers of the YouTube channel of Modi Kia, Gautam Modi Group flagship showroom at Kalyan. Gautam Modi Group has been present for over 9 decades in India with 28 outlets of 5 of the leading automobiles brand under its umbrella. Modi Kia is the latest entrant into the list of outlets to begin in Kalyan. At Kia, people are at the heart of everything we do. We work together to inspire our customer, our colleague, empowering each other to make progress. In April 2017, Kia India started its journey with its plant in Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh. Kia commenced with mass production in August 2019. Since then, Kia India has completed over 1 million units from its Anantapur plant. With over 2 lakh connected cars on Indian road, it is among the top leader in connected car technology in the country. Kia has a network of 443 sales touchpoints and 298 service touchpoints present in 214 cities in the country, covering the large landscape of India. In the world of automobile, there are automobiles and there are automobiles which are young at heart. All Kia cars are young at heart. Today I am going to present the most newest SUV in the Indian automotive landscape. This compact SUV stands out with its striking design, combining with robust character lines and a sleek profile, ensuring that you make a very bold statement on your every journey. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and advanced safety features, this SUV offers an unparalleled driving experience. In this SUV, you will find powerful yet efficient engine options tailored for both urban agility and adventurous escapades. Inside, the meticulously crafted interior provides ultimate comfort and connectivity, making every drive not just a commute but a truly enhanced driving experience. This SUV is more than a car, it's a dynamic companion ready to elevate your lifestyle. Kia has managed to manufacture more than 500,000 of this vehicle in last 5 years. From 2019 to 2024, this SUV has maintained its dominance by selling the most number in the mid-size SUV segment in India. It has been the most inspiring mid-size SUV in India for last 5 years. A true badass that has ruled the Indian road since 2019. Yes, you all got it right. We are talking about the Kia Seltos, the badass reborn. Genesis began with its name after the Greek legend Seltos, who was the son of Hercules and a Celtic princess named Celtine. Said to be the forefather of the Celts, Seltos was a bold and brave leader, qualities that Kia wanted the Seltos to embody. The S was added to convey the SUV's sportiness. Since its grand debut, the Kia Seltos has taken India by storm. The initial 1 year garnered more than 100,000 bookings, and today it stands at a staggering 500,000 plus Seltos cruising the streets of India, and an impressive 1,47,615 plus in export, finding the home abroad too. The all-new Kia Seltos, it's not just a vehicle, it's a journey, a testament to Kia's commitment to crafting automobile that not only excel in design and performance but also capture the heart of audience worldwide. It is truly an outstanding global icon. It's now time to take you through its badass SUV, the all-new Kia Seltos. Today I will take you through a feature presentation of the GTX Plus variant of the all-new Kia Seltos. As you all are aware, Kia is well recognized and established brand since last 7+ years in India. Kia is the 5th largest automobile manufacturer in the world and the 6th largest automobile manufacturer in India. Kia has been recognized as the best car in 38 countries in the past decades. Kia has won Car of the Year awards in Europe, United States, Middle East and Asia. Kia has won 860 Quality Awards, 170 Design Awards, 115 Safety Awards, 127 Satisfaction Awards globally. Standing testaments to its world-class build and being a true masterpiece. Kia is also the fastest automotive company to win 70 plus major global design awards. Kia has been acknowledged in Germany for #1 quality amongst 20 brands in auto build quality reports. This is extremely prestigious as Germany is known for making the quality cars in the world. Kia Motors is the highest ranked mass market brand in JD Power initial quality study for 4 consecutive years, is one of the leading auto market in the world, the US. In 2015, 16, 17 and 2018. Kia Motors have sold 30,85,771 units globally in the year 2023. Kia India has rolled out more than 1 million units from its plant in Anantapur, making Kia India fastest and youngest car maker to achieve these phenomenal milestones. Kia India has already won 2 Indian Car of the Year award in the year 2023, Carens as Indian Car of the Year and EV6 as Green Car of the Year. Strongly chiseled looks and a formidable stance highlight its badass traits at the very first sight. A bold new exterior design with more style and attitude of the new Seltos highlights its bold traits. Its aggressive design language and a muscular build is further accentuated by muscular bonnet lines and aesthetic shoulder lines to emphasize its robust character. The reinvented Seltos is here to mesmerize every onlooker, envying to take an exhilarating drive experience. All new Kia Seltos come equipped with crown jewel LED headlamps with star map LED sweeping light guide and DRLs featuring sequential LED turn indicator, not only enhancing visibility day and night but also offering an unmistakable identity to the SUV and exuding a commanding presence. Complementing the bold aesthetic are the ice-cube LED fog lamps, enhancing visibility in any adverse weather condition and also adding a touch of sophistication to the overall design, ensuring a stylish and safe driving experience. Enhancing its luxury and modern appeal, the Seltos boasts a glossy black radiator grille with diamond earning chrome surround. This distinctive grille contributes to the vehicle's front profile, leaving a lasting impression on observers. Positioned just below the Kia logo in the front parking camera, Kia's 360-degree camera system, enhancing safety in bumper-to-bumper traffic and providing convenience during the parking maneuvers. The inclusion of gold front speed brake not only enhances the SUV rugged design but also offer protection against underbody damage. The camera on the front windshield and radar located beneath the license plate together provide precise input to the advanced driver assistance system level 2. Leveraging automated sensing technology with the state-of-art radar and cameras, this system detects obstacles on the road, enabling impact warnings and impact avoidance. Dominating, unyielding, confident. The new Kia Seltos is a symbol of powerful statement. Let's next understand what makes the all-new Kia Seltos a powerhouse of driving performance. The all-new Kia Seltos designed to deliver a driving performance that's nothing short of extraordinary. Elevate your driving pleasure with advanced, robust engine options that set new standard in power, efficiency and dynamics, making the Seltos the ultimate driving machine. The new Seltos offer 3 formidable performance engine. SmartStream G1.5 liter turbo gasoline direct injection petrol engine. This powerhouse delivers a maximum power of 160 PS and a jaw-dropping torque of 253 Nm. Choose between a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission or a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, both designed to maximize your driving thrill. Smart Stream G 1.5 liter petrol engine. This advanced engine produces an impressive 115 PS of power and 143.8 Nm of torque, available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an intelligent variable transmission, ensuring seamless and efficient performance. 1.5 liter common rail direct injection variable geometric turbocharger diesel engine. This refined engine dominates with a maximum power of 116 PS and 250 Nm of torque. It comes with versatile transmission option including a 6-speed manual transmission, a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission and a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission, offering unparalleled control and responsiveness. The new Kia Seltos doesn't just perform, it commands attention with 8 striking monotone color options: clear white, glacier white pearl, sparkling silver, gravity grey, aurora black pearl, imperial blue, intense red and pewter olive, along with 2 dynamic dual tone options: glacier white pearl with aurora black pearl roof and intense red with aurora black pearl roof. Kia ensure your peace of mind with a standard 3-year or unlimited kilometers warranty, extendable up to 5 years or unlimited kilometers. Additionally, benefit from 24/7 nationwide roadside assistance for 3 years, ensuring you're covered no matter where your journey takes you. Driving the all-new Kia Seltos is nothing but experiencing a performance that's powerful, aggressive, competitive. Now let's hop into the passenger side of the new Seltos and enjoy a ride like never before. With dimensions that demand respect, 4365 mm in length, 1800 mm in width and a wheelbase of 2610 mm, this powerhouse of a SUV is more than just spacious. Featuring fierce 17-inch crystal cut alloy wheels, the Seltos is not here to blend it, it's here to dominate. Engineered for stability, ruggedness and relentless support across all terrains, every ride is a statement of power. Safety is not just a feature, it's a mantra for the Seltos. With electric adjustable, auto-fold outside rear view mirrors, boasting integrated LED indicators, this beast commands attention from every angle. And with side cameras of 360-degree camera, it pushes the boundary of safety and convenience to new extreme. Laughing in the face of uneven road, the Seltos boasts a towering ground clearance, embodying the true spirit of an SUV that scopes at obstacles. And with a mighty 50-liter fuel tank, it's ready to miles without pause, ensuring your adventures are nothing short of epic. This isn't just a car, it's a legend in the making. The new Seltos doesn't just dominate the road, it owns it, leaving competitor to dust. The rear profile of the new Seltos is jaw-dropping and leaves the other drivers truly inspired. Crafted with innovative design elements, it sets the standard for must-have cars on the road. Featuring Star Map LED connected tail lamps, the rear profile of the Seltos is nothing short of mesmerizing. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of style and sophistication. The shark fin antenna is not just about aesthetics, it's also about aero efficiency, providing superior network reception and improving aerodynamics. The glossy black rear spoiler with LED high mount stop lamp not only adds to the aerodynamics of the vehicle but also amplifies its sporty demeanor, making it a force to be reckoned with on the road. Adverse weather condition? No problem. The rear defogger rear wiper and rear washer, the Seltos is equipped to handle all weather conditions, ensuring clear visibility and optimal performance in any situation. Safety is always a given, and the Seltos doesn't compromise. The emergency stop signal feature provides added peace of mind, ensuring you and your passengers are protected at all times. Seltos has a generous boot space of 433 liters, accommodating everything from suitcase to sports equipment, making it perfect for family vacation or business trips. When it comes to parking, the Seltos makes it super easy for you with rear parking sensors, rear camera and front and side cameras with steering adaptive guidelines, ensuring 360-degree safety and convenience, making every parking maneuver a breeze. The new Seltos is a force to be reckoned with, leaving competitors in the rear view mirror and setting new standard of excellence on the road. It's now time to take you closer to the cockpit of the new Seltos. Features like keyless entry with smart key makes entry and exit a jiffy. The speed sensing auto door lock and impact sensing auto door unlock adds on to safety parameters. This SUV gives you absolute confidence with 32 advanced safety features, out of which 15 features are standard features. Savor the awe-inspiring beauty all around when you get in Kia Seltos. The plush new interior gives you the advantage of extra comfort on every ride. The modern and premium all-black interior with white inserts offer a sense of sportiness and premium feel in the cabin. Step inside the all-new Kia Seltos and experience a fresh and an uncluttered interior design that exudes elegance, adding a touch of sophistication to your driving experience. On the driver door, the Seltos offer adjustment switches of your electronically operated ORVM features, window controls and center locking buttons. The driver's seats offers the convenience of 8-way power adjustments and comes with front ventilated feature for added comfort. The all-new premium black with white inserts and tubular piping are upholstered in leatherette, enhancing the overall sense of true opulence and indulgence. Tilt and telescopic steering adjustment, along with leather-wrapped steering wheel, smart cruise control, audio and Bluetooth control is a sheer driving delight. As we discussed earlier, this is the GT line, the top of the line variant of the Kia Seltos. The driver's sensory perception is further enhanced by a state-of-the-art 26.03 cm multi-display digital cluster, redefining the exciting mobility experience and advanced technology. This digital cluster provides inbuilt turn-by-turn navigation, front and rear parking sensor display, TPMS highline display, blind spot view monitor display, advanced driving assistance system alerts, and changes theme with drive modes. Auto anti-glare inside rear view mirror with Kia Connect buttons for SOS, RSA and Kia Connect call center. These features takes the convenience and safety element onto top tier. The telematic switches ensure driver has advanced safety and backup already in place to make your motoring life easy and convenient. A 26.03 cm HD touchscreen navigation system with wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is highly intuitive and user-friendly and offer a host of advanced features. Kia Seltos comes with connected car technology. Kia Connect with 63 telematic features, voice recognition, free over-the-air updates for map and information, and Kia Connect integrated smart watch app. The driver rear view monitor provides enhanced visibility, providing a clear view of the road behind for confident and efficient maneuvering. The drive mode selects helps you to pick the style based on road and traffic conditions. The eco mode is for your traffic-laden city roads to ensure optimum fuel efficiency. The normal mode is for your relaxing everyday driving. The sports mode gives you the adrenaline rush with quicker acceleration. To enhance your multi-terrain capabilities, the all-new Kia Seltos also comes with snow, mud and sand setting for maximum traction in challenging conditions. You are set for any rough road or a rough weather with the flick of a switch. Auto hold with electronic parking brake ensure convenience and safety by automatically holding the vehicle in place on stops, even on inclines, without continuous pedal pressure. This reduces driver fatigue, enhances driving experience, and replaces the traditional lever with a space-saving button for easy use and convenience. The Bose Premium Sound 8-speaker system is an ultimate sound system. Immerse yourself and make every drive an ultimate driving experience with the powerful and precision tune. Bose's patent sound drivers delivers an immersive audio experience with rich sound and 2 tweeters, 5 speakers and a woofer with an amplifier. The wireless charger and Highline tire pressure monitoring system further enhance driving convenience. The Seltos excels not only in performance and design but also in interior comfort and amenities. Let me prove that to you. Look around and experience the beauty of nature and enjoy stunning scenic view as you navigate through all terrains. The expansive panoramic glass roof of the new Seltos enhance your journey by flooding the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. It's a favorite among families for its ability to bring the outside in, making every trip an adventure and every moment more memorable. The rear reclining seats allow passengers to adjust their seat position to their preference, ensuring comfortable and relaxing ride even on long trips. Adjustable headrest for 3 occupants enhance comfort for providing personalized support for each passenger, reducing fatigue and improving overall well-being during the ride. The rear center armrest with convenient cup holder adds an extra layer of convenience. This feature not only keeps the interior tidy but also enhances the overall travel experience by providing a dedicated space for refreshments. The dual zone fully automatic climate control combined with second row AC vents ensure that every seats in the new Seltos receive uniform cooling regardless of the weather outside. To further enhance this cooling experience, the rear door sunshade curtains have been added. These sunshades not only help maintain a cooler temperature in the rear seat by blocking out harsh sunlight but also provide added privacy and shades, creating a more comfortable and private environment for rear passengers. Moreover, it's equipped with child seat anchors ISOFIX for the safety of your little ones. A flexible 60/40 split seats arrangement for the versatile cargo and passenger options, and 2 rear USB-C type charger for keeping your device powered on the go. The all-new Kia Seltos is all about making your journey as convenient and comfortable as possible. The smart pure air purifier with virus and bacteria protection is designed to ensure clean, healthy and fresh air inside the cabin. By maintaining high air quality, it promotes better respiratory health and overall well-being, ensuring that every journey is not only comfortable but also contribute positively to your health. In summary, the interior of the all-new Kia Seltos are thoughtfully designed to offer unparalleled comfort and convenience, making every journey enjoyable and stress-free. As mentioned earlier, the all-new Kia Seltos comes with a total of 32 safety features, out of which 15 safety features are standard, such as driver, passenger, side and curtain airbags, all 4 disc brakes, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, hill start assist control, high-line tire pressure monitoring system, 3-point seat belts for all seats, emergency stop signal, child seat anchor, ISOFIX, and much more. Don't forget to check out the Kia My Convenience Plus package program, an industry's first ownership program offering benefit like never before. Available in 2 packages, a 4-year comprehensive coverage plan called Premium and a 5-year comprehensive plan called Luxury, covering maintenance, extended warranty and roadside assistance all in one, offering best-in-class total cost of ownership with comprehensive coverage in this segment. To experience the badass SUV, do come to Modi Kia, a Gautam Modi Group showroom at Kongaon, Kalyan. For a power-packed test drive and delightful buying experience, alternatively, you can inquire by calling us at 8238089600. I repeat, 8238089600. If you have not subscribed to our Modi Kia YouTube channel yet, please do it right away. If you don't want to miss out on any key update on Kia cars and new car launches, this is Farhan signing off from Modi Kia. It's time to show that there is only one badass in the country, the all new Kia Seltos Reborn. Namaskar.